to my channel. My name is Serafina the Unicorn Baker. This is my unicorn pose. Today we're going to be making chocolate peanut butter brownies. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. The ingredients you'll need is a chocolate peanut butter brownie mixture. On the frosting, 2 eggs, oil, and then a measuring cup to put the oil and the water in. A cup, a measuring thing to stir with a spatula, and a baking pan. Voila! Let's get started. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Now we're gonna mix the ingredients. Ow, my nail. Need my trusty scissors. Well, it's really hard to do it. Now I need to wash my hands. I just added 2 eggs and now I am gonna stir. Well, and also guys, when you're done with the eggs, you should wash your hands because you have salmonella all over your hands. And don't lick your hands after you crack an egg, because then you're gonna get poisoned. I've been stirring and stirring. Okay, now I'm it smells so good. It smells like Reese's. And I love salty things, I love chocolate, and I love Reese's. I love peanut butter also. Now we're gonna spray the bottom of the pan. Now we're gonna put the mixture in the pan. Whoa, it's looking cool. Now we're gonna spread it out evenly. And then we're gonna put it in the oven with 35 minutes. Voila! Okay, let's tap. Oven time. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's done. The peanut butter brownies are done, and now I'm gonna let it cool for 3 hours. Now that the brownies are cooled, we're gonna frost them. Let's do it. Whoa. And guys, this is chocolate fudge frosting. Whoa. Put it on a plate. Whoa. Delicious. Now we're gonna taste test my favorite part. So who should I call in? Luca! Luca!
Yeah?
Like it. Taste test my delicious brownies.
Sure. I'm gonna do this one. So you probably get forks.
Just eat it. How does it taste, Luca?
Good.
Okay, now I It tastes super, super good. Luca, how much percent is it?
Probably like 99.
Why not 100, Luca?
Because the frosting didn't match the color of theme of brownies.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna give it 2,000 billion, trillion, a million. And yes, I know that's a lot. Oh yeah, guys, remember, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye. Now we're gonna tap for 8 bubbles, and then we're gonna put. I spit. And it's where you like pours the cake mixture into it. I forgot the name.